Over the last few weeks before I hurt my back, Gaylard, I was playing a lot with this AI-generated music app. It's called Udio.ai.
Yes.
This is not a paid promotion, but it's really impressive. Like, it's disturbingly good. And I have no musical skills at all, yet I've managed to come up with what I think are a few bangers and earworms, Gaylard. So I thought, how about we create ourselves a new jingle for the podcast? Because when we came up with the original one, we had to pay a guy on Fiverr to come up with an original track for us. It's good, but I thought maybe AI can come up with a little something.
Just a new one every week.
Yeah, exactly. So I've made 3 for you, Gaylard, and perhaps the listeners can vote on which they think is the best for us to use. Actually, I made 4, but the 4th one here is maybe not culturally sensitive enough. I'll let you decide. Anyway, so I'll read out the genre first, and then you can tell us which one you want to hear. Okay. So the genres are death metal, country folk concert, jazz club, and the one we might not play is J-pop, which is Japanese pop.
Oh, I think that's okay. It's like,
which one would you like to start with?
I think we can't start with death metal because everything after that will be a bit too low energy. Let's start with the jazz club.
You'll be stroked out. All right, jazz club. Here we go.
Welcome to the reading room, our dingy little club. We don't read no books down here. We sip Negronis in our scrubs. So leave us, please, your kind reviews. 5 stars is what we want, and we'll see you all sometime soon.
I love where it goes here.
Stay right, stay right, stay right.
How good is that? I gave it a second verse. I thought it was so good.
Fire goats, gamma rats, stay right, stay right, stay right.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Thanks for listening.
That's amazing. Hey, we can add this to the endless list of non-existing merchandise. We can have an album.
Oh, well, that is a good idea. I have no idea what the copyright issues are with these AI generated music. So I'll just say again, thank you to Udio for allowing me to create and play these clips. All right, there you go. So that was Jazz Club. That one I've called it Welcome to the Reading Room.
Oh, that was very good. Okay. Country folk, please.
Country folk. All right. So I've called this one, and you'll see why. I've called this one Stay Rad, y'all. Here we go.
We don't read books. We don't read poems. We don't read palms or tea leaves. In this room, we just read scans and talk a heck of a lot about goats and Negronis. If you like what we've been doing here, then please leave a 5-star review. And we hope to see you again real soon in our friendly reading room. Y'all stay rad. Stay rad.
Woo! How good is that?
That's perfect. So good. And they've got the audience and everything.
Yeah. I think when I said I wanted it to be like a folk country like concert, and then once I gave it some of the words that it needed to use, it was like, oh, I'm just going to pretend this is like someone thanking the crowd. So yeah, that was great. All right, let's do the death metal.
Okay.
Hold on to your hat here, Gaylard, all right? And listeners, because this is going to come in pretty hard and fast. All right. This one, was inspired by Scrubs and the radiologist on Scrubs. So this one is called These Are My Machines.
These are my machines. These are my machines. If you want to support the podcast, get yourself an all-access pass. Become supporter of the website, or leave a 5-star review. We'll see you all sometime soon. Stay rad!
That one's pretty direct, isn't it?
Yes.
Get yourself an all-access pass. All right.
That's really good. Well, you
should I
have to do the J-pop. You have to.
All right. The thing about this AI thing is that it can do different languages. All right.
Okay.
So it decided to hallucinate a little bit of Japanese and put that into the.
And we have no idea what it says.
I don't know what it's saying. Okay, but we'll give it a go.
Please write in and let us know if there's something very inappropriate in there.
Yeah. Also, the broken English is not. It's not coming from me. That's coming from the AI. Okay. So here we go. A bit of J-pop. This one I call, and you'll see why, Go Go Radiopedia.
Go Go Radiopedia. Go Go Reading Room. Frank and Andrew, best of hosts. Win-win 5-star review.
Don't know.
Radiopedia. Go Go Radiopedia. Go Go staying right.
I gave this one a second verse as well. I thought, I like where it's going. Let's see what it can do.
Go Go Radiopedia. Go Go Reading Room. Frank Andrew, very best of hosts. Win-win 5-star review.
Very best of hosts.
Please, please, a little goat. Go Go staying right.
Did you hear the bit where it said bleat bleat the little goat? Bleat bleat the little goat. All right. Well, that's it. That's the 4 that people can select from. So we have
So how are people going to vote?
just like email. I don't know. All right. I'll set up a form. I'll set up a Google form and I'll put a link in the show notes and people can vote.
Yeah.
And we'll have an official reveal on a hostful episode or something. So it'll be death metal. These are my machines. I'll put, I don't know if I can put links to the actual songs. Just listen back to the episode. Death metal. These are my machines. Country folk concert. Stay rad, y'all, or y'all stay rad. Jazz club. Welcome to the reading room. Welcome to the reading room. And then J-pop. Go Go Radiopedia. Let us know what you want to hear. All right, Gaylard. Time to wrap up.
Well, I feel
this
like
episode.
these clips have basically done it all for us, right?
They have done the job, haven't they?
'Cause-
If you want to help support the podcast, get an all-access pass.
Stay rad.
Stay rad.